Can you guess the animal just by its body part? Let's start. First one. Elephant. Second one. Giraffe. Third one. Kangaroo. If you got the first three, smash that like button. Fourth one. Lions. Fifth one. Zebra. Quick tip. Look closely at patterns, shapes, and textures. It helps a lot. Sixth one. Crocodile. If you've guessed all six, you're doing amazing. Keep going. Seventh one. Peacock. Eighth one. Whale. Ninth one. Frog. All right. Ready for the ultimate tricky one? 10th one. Snake. Comment your score below. Follow for more animal quizzes.